Guten Tag.
Hello, my name's Michael Meyer. I'm product manager at Duerr Dental. With its innovative and practical solutions, Duerr Dental has been shaping the field of dental imaging for over 5 decades. Particularly in the field of digital x-rays with image plates, Duerr Dental is the market leader for images that offer the highest image quality and are perfect for meeting all diagnostic requirements. Today I'm delighted to be able to introduce VistaScan MiniView 2.0 to you. The image plate scanner VistaScan MiniView 2.0 provides users with a highly intuitive, effective and time-saving tool for digitizing image plates. It retains the strength of its predecessor model VistaScan MiniView, which has enjoyed great success for many years, and adds to them new, powerful and intelligent features such as the Smart Scan workflow. Its high-resolution 5-inch glass touchscreen display offers a very comfortable user interface, and the new Easy Feed concept makes for incredibly fast loading of image plates. The unit's different image acquisition modes offer maximum flexibility to the user. Features like wireless LAN functionality, the standalone mode for independent operation away from the practice network, and the Scan Manager all make the device quite unique. VistaScan MiniView 2.0 is manufactured at our site in Gechingen. Top quality, made in Germany. VistaScan IQ image plates, Duerr Dental light protection covers, and VistaScan MiniView 2.0, a perfectly coordinated system designed to deliver the utmost in image quality. VistaScan IQ image plates are thin and flexible. Thanks to this flexibility, they are noticeably easier to place in the mouth of the patient than, for example, a sensor with a rigid housing. What's more, in contrast to a conventional sensor, the active area covers 100% of the image plates. VistaScan IQ image plates are available in the intraoral sizes S0 to S4. Original Duerr Dental accessories for reliable and ergonomic handling. VistaScan MiniView 2.0 is integrated via LAN or wireless LAN in the practice network, which means it's available from every PC in the practice. Just one click in VistaSoft is all it takes to establish a connection to the unit and start scanning a task. It's possible for multiple scanning tasks to be sent from different PCs to VistaScan MiniView 2.0 at the same time, so it's ideally well suited to acting as a central scanner in the practice. The different scanning tasks are then displayed by the integrated Scan Manager on the display of the unit. The user selects the required task and the unit goes into ready for image acquisition mode. VistaScan MiniView 2.0 can also run independently, for example if the practice network is down. Here, the images are initially saved on the unit and can later be transferred to the software. If the network is down for longer, the patient data can simply be entered via the display. The internal memory is also used during normal operation, that is when the unit is connected to the network, for additional temporary image data backup on the unit. Throughout the entire workflow, the original light protection covers from Duerr Dental effectively prevent image information on the image plate from being erased due to exposure to ambient light. And in addition to this, they also offer effective protection against cross-contamination. The light protection cover is very easy to open. When combined with the loading concept of VistaScan MiniView 2.0, this ensures uninterrupted protection of the image plate against ambient light. In addition to the display, operating states are also indicated by the status light. Thanks to the Easy Feed concept, image plates can be scanned very easily and quickly one after the other. With the aid of PCS scan technology, VistaScan MiniView 2.0 digitizes the image information on the image plate with an unrivaled resolution of up to 40 LP per millimeter. As a result, both early stages of caries and endodontic instruments can be reliably displayed. At the end of the scanning process, the image plate is automatically erased, which means that it's immediately available for the next patient. Once complete, a scanning task can be finished off on the display itself. Then the next patient can be selected via Scan Manager without having to go back to the PC.
Ohne zum PC zurückgehen zu müssen.
The unit also comes with VistaSoft. VistaSoft, the all-in-one imaging software from Duerr Dental, can fully handle all aspects of managing camera images as well as 2D and 3D X-ray images. Thanks to the modular design and single-click design ethos, all of the main functions can be accessed with just a single click. Fast and well-thought-out workflows enable efficient handling. Different image filters are available for various application scenarios and issues. As well as the conventional way of creating X-ray images with scanning tasks, VistaSoft also offers, together with 2.0, the option of creating images within the innovative Smart Scan workflow. If the decision is taken in a treatment room that one or more X-ray images need to be taken for a patient, then the corresponding patient has normally already been selected in VistaSoft. Then it takes just one click on the Smart Scan button to activate the Smart Scan workflow. With the aid of the VistaScan Smart Reader, image plates are then assigned to the previously selected patient. And the VistaScan MiniView 2.0 unit, located in the center of the practice, goes into ready for image acquisition mode. Now it's possible to scan image plates from different patients in any order, one after the other. Together with VistaSoft, the IQ image plates ensure correct assignment of X-ray images to the corresponding patients. As a result, Smart Scan workflow makes for more relaxed, more efficient and more reliable working. Simply assign an image plate via the Smart Reader, scan it on the VistaScan unit, and the software will do the rest automatically. VistaSoft will do the rest automatically. And by the way, thanks to an algorithm based on artificial intelligence, intraoral images are automatically displayed with the correct orientation based on the anatomical features present in the image. In addition, VistaSoft automatically detects if the wrong side of the image plate has been exposed and displays a corresponding message for the user. The automatic image plate quality check helps to ensure that excellent image quality is preserved in the long run. This extensive package of intelligent automation features based on VistaSoft AI delivers a noticeable boost in terms of efficiency and quality when creating intraoral X-ray images with VistaScan MiniView 2.0.
VistaScan MiniView 2.0.
VistaScan MiniView 2.0, the most intelligent Mini there has ever been. An extensive set of supplied accessories ensure a smooth start and effective operation from the very first day. Since VistaScan MiniView 2.0 is able to digitize image plates in all intraoral sizes, image plates and light protection covers are also available in the sizes S0 to S4. To change the image plate format that is to be scanned, simply change the loading insert, a really easy process. And the color of the ambient light can, for example, be matched to the color of the interior decor in your practice. And by the way, if you're short on space in your practice, VistaScan MiniView 2.0 can also be wall-mounted. VistaScan MiniView 2.0 with unrivaled image quality, a high-resolution 5-inch color touchscreen display, the Easy Feed concept, and intelligent automation features such as the Smart Scan workflow, which is based on VistaSoft AI.
VistaSoft AI.